Welcome to this instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality negative 2a plus 5 is greater than or equal to 1. We will walk through the steps to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To solve the inequality minus 2a plus 5 greater than or equal to 1, we start by isolating the variable term. This process involves carefully manipulating the inequality to get a by itself on one side. First, observe the given inequality minus 2a plus 5 greater than or equal to 1. To isolate the variable term, we need to get rid of the constant term on the left side of the inequality. The constant term here is plus 5. To remove plus 5 from the left side, we need to subtract 5 from both sides of the inequality. This operation keeps the inequality balanced because whatever is done to one side must also be done to the other side. So, subtracting 5 from both sides, we perform the calculation minus 2, a plus 5 minus 5 greater than or equal to 1 minus 5. This simplifies to minus 2a greater than or equal to minus 4. By subtracting 5, the expression has changed as follows. We removed the constant term plus 5 from the left side and subtracted 5 from the right side of the inequality, resulting in the inequality minus 2 a greater than or equal to minus 4. Now we proceed to the next steps to solve for a. Now that we have the inequality minus 2 a greater than or equal to minus 4, we need to isolate the variable a. To isolate a, we must get rid of the coefficient that is multiplied by a. The coefficient here is minus 2. To do this, we will divide both sides of the inequality by minus 2. However, it's important to remember that whenever we divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, we must reverse the inequality sign. Let's perform the division now. Dividing the left side by minus 2, we have minus 2a divided by minus 2 greater than or equal to negative 4 divided by negative 2. When we divide, the negative signs cancel out on both sides, so we are left with a on the left side and 2 on the right side. This means that the inequality has now changed to a less than or equal to 2. Remember, we reversed the inequality sign because we divided by a negative number, so the solution in inequality form is a less than or equal to 2. In interval notation, this solution can be represented as the interval from minus infinity to 2, including 2. This is written as open bracket minus infinity, comma 2, closed bracket. To summarize, the solution to the inequality minus 2a plus 5 greater than or equal to 1 is a less than or equal to 2, and in interval notation from minus infinity to 2, including 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.